Awesome.
And what's going on? Mike at viatrading. Today we're going to give you an overview of our 4 main product conditions. We got customer returns, shelf pulls, new overstock, and master case. Now, customer returns are items that have been purchased from a store and returned to the store by the customer for all unknown reasons. They could be brand new, they could be open box, missing pieces, damaged, who knows, but we're about to find out. For example, you got a chair here, everything seems complete. You got an outdoor light, look at that, that's broken on top. Look at this trash can, banged up all over the place, could still work, may not work. Power wheel, missing wheels on the bottom. Pieces all over the place. Does it work? Does it not work? You also got items that seem to be brand new in box. Has it been opened and closed up? We don't know. These are the risks that you can expect to receive with customer returns. The good, the bad, the ugly. Now we got shelf pulls. So shelf pulls are literally items that have been pulled from the shelf. Think of end of season stocks. Things like summer items, swimsuits, beach toys. Come September, October, they don't want them in the store anymore. They need to make space for winter items. So they pull them from the shelves. Now let's check some out. Something here. Still sealed completely. Bug zapper. Looks brand new. So you may still have something like this that's out of box. This one's been open, but still new resellable condition. Now hold up, come on to me. Shelf pulls are like new items, however you could have signs of wear and tear. Remember, they've been on the store shelves. Somebody could have taken it out, tried to open the box. In the case of clothing, they could have tried it on in the changing rooms, left it on the floor, the next person comes in and steps on it. Shelf pulls, they're basically like new, but there's a little factor of risk involved. So now we have new overstock. What is that? That's brand new merchandise that was never displayed in the store, was never returned by a customer, it's never been to the store. Think of this as merchandise that's been in the warehouse. Look at it. Brand new, in poly bag, retail ready. Look at this doll. Again, brand new. Brand new merchandise, still has plastic on it. Look at these. All brand new, retail ready, still comes with the hangers. All right, you get the point. You all know what retail ready, brand new overstock is. Looks just like that. Master case merchandise, master case, brand new. Everything you see around me is master case. Master case condition is brand new inventory in its original brown boxes. So this original brown box. It's not just in its retail packaging. It's got its brown box reinforced. Now, with the master cases, you could have 10 items in here, 20 items in here, 1 item in here. We will know based on the list that we have, if we have that list, or it will tell you on the box. But these are brand new. They didn't even make it to the store. That's how new it is. You got little piggies. Look at this. Retail ready, original packaging, brand new merchandise. Hope that gives you a better understanding of our 4 main product conditions. Again, customer return, shelf pull, new overstock, and master case. If you've got any questions on any of those 4 or other questions, comment below. Let us know what questions you have. Our intention is to provide you with as much valuable information as possible in order to help you make the best decisions for your resale business. So ask. We're here to answer all your questions. Now, make sure you like this video as well. Why? Because when you like it, YouTube pushes it to the top, which means that other resellers such as yourself get to watch this video, get to participate, comment, and get as much info as possible. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so the next video we have, you know it's ready. Peace!